Hi friends and good morning all. So yesterday or rather day before we had two positions. Okay, this is yesterday. Let's go to day before. What are the positions? We had safe hedges. Okay, let me go back. The reason I took the hedges, if there is any big movement, we will be able to capitalize. I was expecting slightly, yeah, this was a chart of course. I had shared with yesterday's video as well to you all, right? I'll come to that as well. The reason I'm going through this is to make you understand what is the idea behind. Okay, crude, this was the expected move I mentioned. Let us look at what happened in crude. Okay, when was this? This was, okay, now, okay, see this? This was the movement. Of course, this breakout happened yesterday, but our long was the prior day, that is day before. Okay, now we will also come now to the other part. This was the crude I was mentioning, it will go up. So, crude, of course, a couple of people, one person made 15,000, one person made around, I think, 12 lakhs, sorry, 12 to 14 lakhs. Another gentleman made about 10,000. Apart from that, yesterday there was one more person who made about 15K profit. This is about crude. I'm not much into crude, but since there's high volatility, I've been sharing that also. Okay, now what was the closing trade we took? This is Wednesday, correct? So safe edge. This was the safe edge. 77,600 and 77,500. Look at 77,500 put what happened yesterday. You'll understand how was the profit. And we also took Nifty uh, 24,000 put. Okay, this was. So I'm not sure where it is. Anyway, so and yesterday morning, right? Yesterday morning, we gave target of uh, let me come. Okay, 76,500 put is what I'm 76,500 is the target for the day. Okay, but I was giving safe hedges, increasing the puts whenever required, decreasing the puts whenever required. So that hedge because we don't have to worry about stop losses much. Okay, but we were also trading. Our target was very clear. 76,500 was our target. Market went up to 77. Okay, that's the reason I was playing with this call and put both the sides. Okay, so this was a chart which was shared in the channel, right? Okay, in the opening I shared this two levels. Hold below 77,300. Target is 76,680 initially. Okay, this target later we said 76,500 also. 76,500. Somewhere we mentioned. This was initially what we gave 76 and below and uh, this was Nifty 24,800 once it moves. Where it is this? About Nifty, we said 24, once 24,800 below, we are looking for 26, sorry, 23, 24, 680 somewhere. Okay, this was the target share. Uh, I'm not sure why I'm not able to search it. So many messages. Yesterday was a little because of expiry, they were quite quite pick up. Oh, it has gone totally up. Okay. All right. Let me come down so that, yeah, let this. So in fact, I said crude now on the long side. We did hold. So since there were a couple of new people, I had to explain in detail. So there were more messages. Okay. Okay. Also, I'll share you the reason why I was. See, when I looked at this option chain data, it was changing. Okay. Let me share you the option chain data. This is yesterday's option chain data. Initially, there was heavy shorts at 77. Slowly, 77,000 data was shorted. Of course, there was support at the 76 900 as well. But slowly the data was changing. That I mentioned that also. So if anybody is interested for this data, where they will get a discount if you are, what do you say, uh, uh, subscribe to along from us. Okay. Uh, okay. I'm not online. Okay. Yeah, we are online. So if anyone and want to understand option chain data, how live it moves, please do connect. We will try and connect you to a platform where it gives live. A lot of platforms, and we have spoken to them. Our subscribers will get discounts. You tell me any platform which you are using. In fact, the big data, big players data also we have spoken to. See, you see how it changed. Today, Nifty, I'll show you how it has moved. Same with Upstra, yeah. You can check with Upstra as well. Uh, see what beautiful. So these are all paid. Okay, wait. So I get this for free here. What you want, I will be able to. Uh, okay, let's go to option chain. Okay, see here, you get to know where the almost all data is available here. Of course, this also is it's available here also, but I have not right now. It's not active in this mail. It's in the other phone actually. I'm using that in the phone because I cannot see. So here, see, you can even go back and check. So these data are very important for us to analyze. Okay, now coming to today's view. Okay, why I mentioned that I am expecting possibilities of a Black Friday. Okay, one. Okay, you also can see how beautifully the chart is respected. I also mentioned trend is down, right? Yesterday. So now we are right now it is in the no trade zone. Okay, the zone is rightly a no trade zone. Okay, the possibilities of coming down is higher than the possibilities of coming up. Okay, base is lot of reasons. Okay, it's not just one reason. I already have checked the data and come back. I'm coming at that. Okay, let me open the option chain. Where is the option chain? I'm not been using this portfolio futures. Pair trading, option. Okay, total open interest. Okay, total open interest. So this also I am subscribed the other email ID. All right. Anyway, so I will open the option chain over here. Option data. Okay. See, look at the change. What has happened in the open interest? Look at the calls. Look at the put side. Put side is support at 23,700 currently, right? And price is 750. Now, what? Where is the higher the writer? Call side. And the next one is here. If this breaks, there is no writer over here, right? Okay, we'll go to the this data as well. So pressure is mounted on the top side. We agree that Trump is and all that, but there are a lot of going if and buts which is going on there, right? So also, if you look at HDFC Bank, agree there's a gap up, but where's the trend? Trend is down again, right? Where is the trend? Trend is totally down. Heavyweight trend is down, correct? Look at Reliance. Reliance trend also is completely down. Let me remove these drawings. Ah, look at the data. Whichever time frame you see, there is selling here. Only here there's some support. There is selling here again. There is selling here. There is support only here, here, here. Right? Now, what will the market try to do? Of course, Reliance, there is a chance that it may try to come here, take the liquidity and come down. Okay. There is a chance. Okay. Because the shorts liquidity is somewhere here. All who are shorted and liquidity is here. Let's look at IT. IT also there is liquidity here. Already most of the liquidity has been taken. Now trying to move up. There is huge liquidity here, here, and here. Now, so a lot of things are there to be observed before you understand this market. Now, if you look at Indigo, Indigo came up but unable to sustain. There is huge resistance in this zone. Okay. Look at oil. Oil, every time it comes here, it takes resistance and comes down, but it takes a upside only. There is huge resistance, of course, here. If this, rather, it's not resistance, there are sellers. So you need to look at the data. So that's the reason I'm looking at the data and deciding what to do. Just the basis the chart, if somebody is trading, it is very tough. Okay. So if you need more guidance on this, please connect. I will be happy to guide you. We will have some demo sessions during live also we can have, but there'll be some charges. Please, if you have to make money, trading is the only place in this world. Okay, trading is the only place where you can enter and exit in few seconds. 2 ages also. See, imagine somebody made crude 15,000, 1 lakhs, 15, 14 lakhs in just 1 or 2 days. Having a knowledge, see the anybody who took that definitely had some knowledge. Of course, they would have taken our views. Yes, agreed. But they also have some knowledge. They have done. They have understood certain things. They have some strategies, right? At Chat Speak, we have gone through most of the trainings. Okay, you ask because we've been into mostly into forex, gold especially. My core trading, I was into gold because of withdrawal deposit. I had an account with Oanda in Singapore. Because of RBI rules, we had to close down. Okay. Post that, I was not finding good brokers. I had issues with withdrawal. I came into Indian market. The challenge in Indian market is that if you're trading in futures, yes, it is excellent. Okay, but if you're trading in options, you have to be very cautious because option is a totally data game. Okay. Now, if you have any questions, please, as I have shared my number here, do connect. I'll be happy to help you. All right. So today, my view is still bearish. It is sell on rise. Okay. Be cautious and God bless you all.